Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to show you the Gudetama slime toy. Only these colors were available. Whoa! So these colors were available. We have the green, pink, yellow, and orange. This is silicone, and this is the slime it comes with. Now I don't know why all slime they gave was the same color. I mean, they could have done different colors. Whoa. Now this is the slime they give. It's like barrel slime. Now these were 4 reals each. So yeah, if you have barrel slime, you can use the different colors. Because I want to show you, it's exactly like the barrel of slime. Tickle, 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 tickle. Ah. This is the best way for the Gudetama to take the slime in. Press from the sides. So everyone, If you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really appreciate that. As always, thank you so much for the support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Bye!